I am having so much pressure because this is the first time we are having 10 people, including us 12. And I have to prepare everything accordingly, from grocery to cooking to decoration, everything. So, planning is the most important thing. So, let's plan. As my plan is ready, now it's time for cleaning the house. Diwali is always incomplete without cleaning and decorating the house. We have to move few furnitures to get more space, and we have to borrow few chairs from neighbors. Cleaning and decorating are always my favorite activities, but cooking, big no. Now it is Saturday evening, and I'm preparing chicken and gajar ka halwa. Tomorrow I'll make all the snacks. My husband also cooking few dishes. Altogether we are making 6 dishes, 3 main and 3 starters and 1 dessert. I still remember those 90s Diwali days. For us, it is Kali Puja rather than Diwali. Always 2 days before Kali Puja, me and my dad used to light up the whole house with toonie bulb. I used to finish my firecrackers shopping 1 month before, and it was my duty to keep those crackers in the sun every day. As my parents never bought me enough crackers, so as a child, my only goal was to become rich when I would be grown up, so that I can buy unlimited crackers. The child inside me still wants those firecrackers, but the adult side says no. What was your favorite childhood memory during Diwali? By the time I'll be uploading this video, I'm sure Diwali will be over. Still, happy Diwali. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.